Android 17 QPR2 Beta 2 update now available for Pixel devices. If you Pixel device running the latest Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1, check for this OTA update. Let's see how to check for update and what's new. Open the app drawer and tap on Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. Here, you can see the system update available Android 17 QPR2 Beta 2. Update version CP41.26071.7.006. Update size is 569 megabytes. Tap Download and Install button to download it to your Pixel phone. After install the update, you can see below given changes to your Pixel phone. 1. Instead of Android 17 Cinnamon Bun codename, you can see Android Dev. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage. You can see Android Dev instead of Android Cinnamon Bun. 2. New Settings icon. Open the app drawer to view the default settings gear icon. Long press Settings app and tap App Info to view the new settings icon. As you can see, the new icon appears here. However, when you open the app drawer, it still displays a different icon. That's clearly a bug in this beta version. Hopefully, Google will resolve it in the next update. Have you installed Android 17 QPR2 Beta 2 yet? What changes have you noticed on your Pixel? Let me know in the comments below.